Sunday morning. Taking some of the projects and some of the empty frames to the laboratory. Also taking the Offset 20.0. I took it for an early morning cruise. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful bike. Can't believe I've been riding Razors this long. That is a very, very, very sweet bike. It's got great engineering behind it. It's just that you can't sit on it, and it was too short wheelbase for me. So since it's going to go to the lab, we're going to go ahead and modify it, of course. And some of the other chassis that are there. Our teammate, Royce Ramirez, he's talking about cutting up another frame, and I love it. So I'm more than happy to bring sacrifices to the demigod, right? Clear out a shelf of knee scooters that we have. We have a ridiculous amount of them. I take the sweater off. In case you guys were ever wondering why I can't just make razor parts all day long, is manager of a research and development lab. We make a lot of stuff here. We usually tell a lot of stories. But we have some good equipment. Here is a Haas VF4 Super Speed with a trundle. This little bad boy right here will cut anything you want in any direction. It's ridiculous. Gotta clear up a little bit, but you can see. Here's our therm wood. Right now we're finishing up a table. She's a beast. You may have seen it in an older video. If you're just somebody that found me from Razors, then you had no idea, I bet. But yeah, these are two 4-foot tables right here. Each one of them moves independently. Why this giant, I think it's a 30 horsepower engine or something. It's ridiculous. Spins at like 45,000 RPM. She's a beast. She doesn't need nobody. She don't call. She don't need no help. She can do it herself. Anyways, but yeah, so I'm going to try to clear out this section here so that I can put all this extra razor bike stuff in one place. And then, keep making more parts if I can. All right, let me get these bikes out of here, all right? It opened. That's the second time that hatch is opened in a year. Guess now it's time to replace the shocks. Ew, it smells like old gas in here. We made Clint Wilson a swing arm. This is the bike that swing arm belonged to. We're just waiting for the core to come back. "12-inch Pirelli Scorpions." That's for the 12-inch bike in the truck. We're going to pull that back in here too. While Royce and I played with these frames to make the best swing arm we could, we made this 12-inch wheel extension where we moved the motor back 2 inches to compensate for some of the extra stretch. and allow for those heat sink things, you know, little heat sinks everybody's buying for like 25 bucks or something like that. And that's what we had planned on putting on here. And I thought maybe I would, you know, like start extruding aluminum, but that has really taken too long. So we're not going to extrude any aluminum anytime soon. This bike lost its swing arm because Electro Brap has a heck of a surprise for you guys. So that's why this poor fella doesn't have one. Oh Lord, a Hummer. I used to have to drive one of those at least twice a day. The shittiest vehicle in the world. Look at something so big, not having any room for people. Oh, this is by far the ugliest razor I have ever seen and or owned. It is disgusting. Somebody spray painted it 2 different types of yellow. You know, like they left it outside forever. The plastic turns into dust when you touch it. It was just disgusting. So I sacrificed the fork so that I could figure out what the height and the specs were, cut it all up so that I could make new fluid dampening forks. And the rear, well, surprising my girlfriend, don't tell her, shh, but I'm making her a bike. That's it. We're not done yet. Life is a balance. And I've never had to figure that out more truly than when I'm busiest at work. So, since those guys are out, I gotta put something into place. Bet you didn't think I was gonna get it in, did you? Gen 1 Sequoia, the best. Supposed to be making forks this weekend, but I need the space really bad, so we're doing this instead. That's not a bad haul, 12 scooters. I didn't think I was going to get more than 8. What was I wrong? Still got so many more to make go away. These are different things. Here at Stewart Research, we focus on a wide array of materials and products that people use daily. It's not scripted, I'm literally just probably babbling. Tired. For a fat guy, an old retired mechanic, yeah, that was quite a bit of effort. But she's cleaned. Oh my goodness. Now I just got to get all those bike frames up there.
Another, please, with less water. Hey, cheer up, pal. Morty's gonna be president. Hey, cheer up, pal. Morty's gonna be president. Imagine this, kids are getting blamed for everything. Guess I should have faith. It's not faith you need.
We're in.
It's
We
fear.
did it. We're in.
It's fear. It's a fear. Fear.
Alright. Now we just gotta wait for Dr. Raphael to show up so he can take some more with me to the hospital. There you have it. I'm gonna take her with me soon too. That's a gas-powered Ozark 250 that I modified. Man, it screams. It does such a wonderful job. I've probably put 300 miles on that thing. I went through, can't even remember the name of the creek now, but it was like 11 miles. And they put bricks in the bottom of it. It's a big one out here in Houston. I rode that thing and, oh man, I was sore for 2 weeks when we got back. Sims Bayou. We rode 22 and a half miles of Sims Bayou before I got back on Telephone Road. Made it to my truck in Pasadena so that I could drive home in Seabrook. It was crazy. Best adventure yet. I wish I had a GoPro then. It was me and this guy named Mikey Dickface Jones. He had a KTM. I think it was a KTM 200. It was sweet, but it kept getting hot because we were going through the water at slower speeds and the radiators above where the water was splashing. All right, doctor. I'm gonna set you up, bruv. I'm gonna get you ready to go. I'm gonna wash my face off. Okay. He's adorable. I hate dogs.